Hey guys, it's Tech Baller with another video. This video is a little bit different and I'm going to talk about a viral application. It's currently one of the most downloaded apps for both iOS and Android as hashtag FaceApp Challenge posts have taken over social media. But with the sudden surge in popularity have come new questions about privacy and whether FaceApp is doing enough to protect users' data. You may have already seen many celebrities on Instagram and other social media posting pictures of when they age. So what is it all about and why you should think twice before installing this application? And all information about this application will be discussed in this video. So be sure to stick to the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, also press the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Without any further ado, let's get started. So it's just not trending topic on Twitter but also on Instagram and other social media, as many celebrities are posting their pictures of when they age. And you can also see how will you look like when you age. That's pretty epic thing. The application that made it possible is called FaceApp. It is not a new application. It was launched way back in 2017, but that time the app wasn't popular. It wasn't having features that allow you to edit a person's face to make it appear older or younger. But it has become more realistic now. The free version of the app offers some limited options of filters, but the one that ages you is available for free. You also have other options which you can apply to change your face, including changing your normal face into a smiling one, changing your hair color, and also allows you to swap genders. You can also transform your picture to your younger self. Just have a look at some of these pictures of celebrities. Here's a photo posted by Drake and some other celebrities. If you are wondering how does it actually work, this app does all of this with the help of neural networks and AI technology. Using neural networks, the app guesses where you will wrinkle, where your hairline will recede to, and what parts of your face will sag over the years. People have compared their FaceApp selfies with photos of their actual parents or posed next to them. For many, the results are uncanny. Also, I used the application on my dad and used the young filter and he just looked like me. Take a look at some people comparing their pictures with their parents. Now this might be great, but this has a serious security issue which I'm going to talk about. The app uploads your photo to the cloud for processing. It does not do on-device processing like Apple's first-party app does and other applications. And moreover, this is not made clear to the user and photo access is a bigger security risk than ever these days. There is also one more security risk that it whether uploads your camera roll in the background. FaceApp, like other applications, have added a privacy page with detail about how they utilize user content. The app on that page has admitted that they may share user content and your information with businesses that are legally part of the same group of companies that FaceApp is. And they also may share your information as well as information from tools like cookies, log files, and device identifiers and location data with third-party organizations that help them provide the service to you. This is normal for many apps, but users must ensure their privacy while using this app or any application asking permission to gain access to personal data. Now, if you still want to install this application, you can easily install it on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Also, if you have watched till now, do subscribe to the channel and help me reach 1000 subscribers. Also, be sure to share this video with friends because it's your responsibility to let everyone know that there can be a security threat using this application. This is it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, do like the video and also comment your thoughts on this application, and I will love to see you in the next one.